Hey traders from around the world, how are you? It's me, Jeremy Alexander Newsom. I trust you're doing most magnificently majestic. It is April 1st, which means it's a new month, and with a new month comes a new set of challenges brought to you by Real Life Trading. We have 3 challenges every single month: a life challenge, a real challenge, and a trading challenge. Makes sense because those words make up the name of the company, Real Life Trading. So let's get to the real challenge. This one's the real tough part of the challenge. This is the physical challenge. And I did mention for a lot of those in March, I did get sick. I caught strep throat apparently, and I was unable to complete the physical challenge in March, which was a bummer. But for those who did get a chance to complete it, congratulations. It was a tough one. Burpee push-ups, I lasted about halfway through the month, and when I had like a really bad fever and my throat was just killing me, I just couldn't do it and had to rest up so that I could do this challenge for this month, which is going to be interesting. Ready? Here it goes. I want you to walk or run or jog, or simply just move your legs or body a quarter mile every single day, every day, additional for the entire month of April. So that means today, I want you to get on that treadmill or go outside or just start walking. You have a quarter mile today, and tomorrow will be a half a mile. And then Wednesday will be 3/4 of a mile. And then Thursday will be an entire mile. So your goal is to do that in hopefully one sitting or one going or one walking. You're gonna actually be doing it in one session. And this is gonna be a fun one for me for sure to do this. I have a big event upcoming in August that I'm starting to practice for and train for, while I'll be doing, I think, 13 miles up a hill or something like that. So anyway, this is gonna be a good start. Get those legs moving. Again, it can be on a treadmill. It can be walking. You can walk the entire thing. It can be a run where you do both. You know, you flip-flop back and forth between. So excited to see how you all do with this one. And again, if you don't get a chance to do it all in one session, that's absolutely okay. You can totally split it up throughout the day. The life part of April. April is actually entitled Surprise Yourself Month, which is do something you've never done before. And that's gonna be the goal every single April, is to do something that we've never done before as humans, as people, as traders. And it can be as easy, if you have a hard time thinking about this, because I actually did. I had a tough time trying to think of what's something I've never done before. So what I did is I Googled what to do. What did I actually Google? What to do, to do things that I've never done before. I think that's what I Googled. Do things I've never done before. And like this list came up. It was like these 400 things of, things you could do. It's called the Achievable Bucket List or whatever. And there was like 200, 300 things on there. And like number 12 was donate blood. And I realized I've never done that. I've obviously done blood samples and blood tests, but I've never donated blood. So I'm gonna do that in the month of April. We also are gonna do one other thing that we've never done, which is go to Greece. So myself and Ashley, my fiance, and 4 other beautiful humans that I absolutely love and cherish, we will be going to Greece, and we'll be doing a Mediterranean cruise on the sea, just the 6 of us. We're renting a nice big boat and just gonna be doing a nice little tour up and down a lot of the islands and the coast. So that'll be really exciting. So that's gonna be the month of April. I've never done that before, and that'll be something that we've never done before either. So those are the 2 things I'll personally be doing. And last but not least, the trading challenge for the month of April. I want you all who are here to do one thing for me. And that one thing is find a stock and a company that you want to invest in long term. Pick one and start accumulating shares of it right now. Even if it's 1 share a month, just slowly start accumulating. If it's 1 share a quarter, whatever it is, just pick that one company. Pick a company right now. over the next few days, few weeks in the month of April and go, okay, this is the company that I want to own long-term, and I'm going to be in this until I'm 107 or whatever, and start accumulating shares of it. Buy your first share in April and just slowly start adding to it every single month. It doesn't seem like a lot. Some of you obviously are already doing this, but there's a lot of you who are watching who have never started. You're afraid that it's going to take too long. You're scared that it's not going to really add up to much. Trust me on this one. This is one of the things I did early on that really was shocking how quickly these can add up. Just start accumulating positions of a company that you like right now. If you haven't done it already, if you have, congratulations. You've pretty much already accomplished the trading challenge for the month of April. Folks from around the world, thank you so much for tuning in. March was an incredible month. One last really exciting update about March. As you all know, March was Kids Month at Real Life Trading, and we had an absolutely extraordinary time having some and hosting 3 webinars just for the youth of the world, and those went really well. Also, the challenge in March was to go to donorschoose.org and select at least 1 classroom every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So 3 classrooms every single week. And very humbled to say that Real Life Trading, our community, our team, our family of traders helped sponsor and fill the meter and financially provide for over 23 classrooms for the month of March, donating over $7,000 and helping hundreds of children, dozens of teachers from all across the United States. That was and truly is, and still will always and forever be, an exceptional, wonderful, and remarkable goal that was achieved by each and every one of you. So thank you, truly, for all those who gave and for all those who helped out with such a wonderful mission. And now, one last final update for the month of March. This was incredible. So as you likely remember, Kids Month in March, right? We were saying anyone who wanted to participate, 18 years of age and under, would open up a virtual trading account and trade, and whoever had the best returns would win $200 cash money from reallifetrading.com. And we had a lot of children participate. So thank you for all the parents and all the kids who did their best to participate in this event. Got many emails every single week. And the winner of March, the winner of the $200 from Real Life Trading, is Shaila Kirpalani. I hope I pronounced that correct. But here's a picture of both her and her younger brother, Sean. And that's incredible. So let me tell you the strategy that Shaila used to win the month of March, the Kids Month Challenge. She simply bought some shares of Netflix and some shares of Apple. Boom. that was it. So as you all know, Netflix was up a little bit. She was up small on Netflix, but Apple, of course, was the big winner. Now, the cool part is just to think about how easy trading can be sometimes. If you pick the right stock, pick the right winner, pick a good name at a good time, however much money you put in, if the stock goes up, you make money. It's an incredible event. So anyway, Shaila, congratulations. You absolutely dominated it. You won in first place by a landslide. Great picks on Apple. That is beautiful stuff. Very well done. And for all the other kids out there in the world, keep practicing, keep trading. The stock market can absolutely offer you the financial independent life that you so deem desirable. So anyway, friends from around the world, thank you for watching this video. Thanks for watching the update. You rock. Let's have an amazing April. And until next time, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.